is all about sugar and spice. So here's a classic, the dynamic duo of cinnamon sugar donut holes and old-fashioned apple cider. Chef Lesli Sommerdorf is here with all of the recipes. We are on the countdown.
We are.
Parties are happening.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I mean, I'm like in the spirit.
We are one pumpkin chocolate chip cookie down.
Hot dang, and I've got this cider going, so I'm just like,
Smells amazing. Donuts, give it to us, girl.
They could not be easier. Last night I banged these out with my 10-year-old and he was having a great time. It was so cute. So you just want wet with wet, dry with dry. Okay. Very easy. Okay. Go ahead. You're gonna do some buttermilk.
Here
I've got a little butter in here already. Should be melted.
And these are decadent donuts, right?
Well, yeah, the buttermilk makes them nice.
Yes.
1 egg and a little vanilla. Your wet ingredients are done.
Okay.
I am going to put in a little flour, a little sugar, a little salt.
And remind me why we keep them separate again?
Well, you know what? Here's the thing. You don't want the flour to form gluten. So the more you're stirring, the tougher those little puppies are going to be at the end. Oh. And you just don't want to do that. You just want to, you're going to watch and you're going to see. As soon as you add those wet ingredients to this dry, as soon as you don't see any more flour, you just stop mixing. Okay. And then they're going to be these beautiful, tender little nuggets.
You ready for me?
Yep, I'm ready.
Here it comes.
Go.
Party, party.
Look at that, okay? Feel free to use the spatula to get out the wet. We're gonna need that.
Okay.
And then you just want to fold. He says, Mom, am I folding okay? Is this folding? Is this folding?
What's his name? I'm gonna walk
Miles.
this over. Miles.
Yeah, he's
Your
so
cute little
darling.
sous chef.
Yes. It was like 9 o'clock. He goes, I know, Mom, it's past my sweet time, but can I have one? Are you kidding me? Of course you can. Look, this is it. You're done.
Okay, you did convince me in this moment.
They are just pretty much like as soon as your flour is integrated, I guess that's the word, you're done.
That's the word Miles used last night. Is my flour integrated?
Is my better homogeneous, Mom? Yeah, that's exactly what he said. So you're gonna take this is a tablespoon scoop, but I found that they become kind of acorns if you put a little bit more than, you wanna put like 3/4 full.
And what's cuter than acorn donuts?
Well, I know, it's kind of cute. You're either gonna have your little donut holes or you're gonna have cute little acorns, but either way, it's autumnal.
Is this an Able Skeever pan?
You know what, this is actually like a cake pop pan, like an actual donut hole pan, but Able Skeever, listen to you. I love that.
Well, it's not incorporated.
Here, you finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. So you're going to put these in a 425-degree oven for probably 7 to 9 minutes.
Okay.
Now here's something that's key. As soon as your timer's getting ready, right, and all of your donuts are ready to pop out, you've got a little bowl of cinnamon and sugar at the ready. Because you want these nice and hot. Maybe like wait 1 minute as they come out of the oven, right? You don't want to burn your fingers.
Is life in your kitchen always this exciting?
We had a great time last night.
You just made cinnamon and sugar sound really fun.
It's totally true. I'm going to steal this from you.
Yes.
You're going to steal the bowl.
What am I doing?
All the little, just out of the oven.
Yep.
And then you just go toss, toss, toss.
Toss, 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 cinnamon and sugar.
And that's it. And you know what? I had these overnight in a Tupperware, and then just toss them again in the cinnamon sugar, and I expect you to taste one.
Well,
let's move on to this really fast.
Twist my arm.
This couldn't be easier. I have a big old jug of Harmons apple juice.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Those aren't good, huh? With the buttermilk and a little, oh, you know what I forgot? Nutmeg. That's the key. Nutmeg. But I'm gonna put nutmeg in this as well.
Okay, what else is in that?
We got some nutmeg that I just lost. Whatever you do, either don't grate your finger in here or don't lose the nutmeg in here, which both have happened.
Those are your 2 goals.
Not in this batch.
So good, Leslie. These are really good.
Are they? Fantastic. A little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon. We're gonna put a couple cinnamon sticks in to boot. Bring this to a boil. Woo. You're done. You're done. Yeah, that's it. The salt is gonna bring out a little bit of spice in the mix, but there you go. There's your apple cider. I wonder if apple cider costs more than an apple juice. Don't do it.
Should, because it's more amazing. I'm just saying, it smells more amazing anyway. Your whole home will smell like our studio today, which is to die for. Now, Harmons can also help you out with your pre-made party platters because we know we got a lot of parties going on.
We've got so many party platters going on. Oh my gosh, I think like the spinach artichoke dip would look like a little brain kind of a thing, and you could put stuff around it. I don't know, I'm just trying to think outside the box.
I'm just like on the fly here, just throwing out some ideas. I'm going for the cookies, my favorites.
Go for the cookies, and then we've got all the cute little fresh pack that we do, or cakes from our bakery.
You are taking care of us.
You name it.
And while you're in your local Harmons, be sure to pick up this handy dandy book.
Yep, this is our free magazine that comes out every four times a year. But this came out for the holidays.
Great recipes inside.
And we've got the recipe to this and to that as well, which is on your website.
They've graciously shared with us on our website too.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You're
Harmons
welcome.
helping us party for the Halloween holiday. We love it.